What if I told you a small forgotten coin, something most people wouldn't even bend down to pick up? Every single day, people lose money without even realizing it. Not big amounts, not thousands, just small coins that don't seem important. But what if one of those coins was never meant to be small in the first place? What if a forgotten 5-cent coin from 1978 has been quietly increasing in importance while people continue to drop it, ignore it, and walk away? Today, we're uncovering a coin that might be slipping through people's hands right now. Coin number 1. Just 2 years later, in 1968, this 5-cent coin entered circulation. It became part of everyday life. Used for small purchases, bus fares, newspapers. Millions were minted. And because of that, people assumed it would never be rare. But history has a funny way of turning common things into forgotten treasures. Over time, coins like this disappeared from daily use, lost in homes, collections, or simply discarded. And today, finding one in very fine condition is not as easy as you might think. Let's take a closer look. On the front, you'll find the elegant portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. Surrounding her image is the inscription, Elizabeth II Australia. This design reflects Australia's connection to the British monarchy at the time. The portrait itself is simple yet powerful, a symbol of authority, history, and tradition. Now flip the coin, and here's where it gets interesting. You'll see the iconic echidna, a unique Australian animal covered in sharp spines. Below it, the number 5 representing its denomination. And beneath that, the word cents. The echidna design is incredibly detailed. Each spine, each curve, crafted with precision. But here's the thing. On older coins, these details often fade. So when you find one with strong, clear features, it becomes much more desirable. This coin isn't made of gold or silver, but its composition still matters. Metal, copper nickel. Weight, approximately 2.83 grams. Diameter, around 19.4 millimeters. Thickness, roughly 1.3 millimeters. Its small size is exactly why it's overlooked. Easy to ignore, easy to lose. But sometimes, the smallest things hold the biggest surprises. Now let's talk about what makes this coin special. First, the brown waves toning. Over time, coins react with air and moisture, creating natural color patterns. This brown, wave-like toning can make the coin visually unique. No two-toned coins look exactly the same. Second, condition matters a lot. A coin in very fine condition means clear design details, minimal wear, strong outlines. Most coins from 1968 don't survive like this. They've been scratched, worn down, or damaged. So when one appears well-preserved, collectors take notice. Here's where things get interesting. You might think millions were made, so how can it be rare? But rarity isn't just about numbers. It's about survival. Over decades, coins get lost, melted, or damaged. And collectors aren't looking for just any coin. They want the best examples. Coins with strong detail, natural toning, clean surfaces. These are the ones that stand out. And because fewer high-quality coins remain, demand starts to rise. Collectors around the world are constantly searching for hidden gems like this. Now let's talk about the value. A 1968 Australian 5-cent coin, in very fine condition, has reached auction values around $89,000 value. Yes, for a 5-cent coin. But remember, this depends heavily on condition, appearance, and collector demand. Not every coin will reach this level, but the possibility is what makes it exciting. Here's the shocking truth. People still lose coins like this every day. They sit in old jars, forgotten in drawers, or get spent without a second thought. Because to most people, it's just 5 cents. But to a collector, it could be a hidden opportunity. That's what makes this coin so fascinating. It's hiding in plain sight. If you're serious about finding coins like this, here's what you should do. Always check old coins before spending them. Look for strong details and unusual toning. Store coins properly to avoid damage. Learn basic grading to understand condition. And most importantly, be patient. Because treasure hunting is a game of time and discovery, So next time you see a small, ordinary coin, take a closer look. Because what seems worthless might actually be a hidden treasure, waiting for the right person to notice it. And who knows? That next coin could change everything. Coin number 2. Imagine holding a coin, so small, so ordinary, that you wouldn't even think twice before spending it. Now imagine that same coin quietly sitting in your pocket, while collectors around the world are desperately searching for it. Sounds impossible? Well, what if I told you a 5-cent coin from the year 2000 could be one of those hidden treasures? A coin people ignore, drop, lose, or forget, without ever realizing what they had. Today, we're uncovering the story of this mysterious Australian coin and why it might be far more valuable than it looks. The year 2000 was a massive moment for Australia. The world was watching as Sydney hosted the Olympic Games. It was a time of global attention, national pride, and celebration. And during this era, Australia continued producing its everyday coins, including the humble 5-cent piece. At the time, no one thought twice about it. It was just spare change. But over the years, something interesting happened. Coins from this period, especially those kept in perfect, untouched condition, became harder to find. Because most were used heavily, scratched, worn, and damaged in circulation. So today, finding one in uncirculated condition feels like discovering a piece of preserved history. Let's examine the coin closely. On the front, you'll see the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. Surrounding her image is the inscription, Elizabeth II Australia. This design represents stability, tradition, and continuity. The portrait is clean and sharp on uncirculated coins, with every detail perfectly visible. Now flip it over. You'll instantly recognize the famous echidna, one of Australia's most iconic animals. Its body is covered in sharp spines, and the detail in the design is remarkable. Below the echidna, the number 5, the word cents. But here's where things get interesting. Some of these coins develop a green spot on the reverse side. At first glance, it may look like damage. But in certain cases, this natural reaction can actually make the coin more unique and more desirable to specific collectors. Let's break down the physical details. Metal composition, copper nickel. Weight, approximately 2.83 grams. Diameter, around 19.4 millimeters. Thickness, about 1.3 millimeters. It's lightweight, compact, and easy to overlook. And that's exactly why so many of these coins disappear unnoticed. Now let's talk about what truly sets this coin apart. First, the green spot mystery. That green spot on the reverse side is often caused by oxidation. Over time, the metal reacts with moisture and air, creating a distinct green mark. Most people think this ruins the coin. But here's the twist. In certain collecting circles, natural, unusual toning patterns can actually make a coin stand out. It gives the coin character, a story, a fingerprint that no other coin has. This is the real game changer. An uncirculated coin means no wear from daily use, sharp edges and details. Original mint luster still visible. Most 2000 coins were used regularly. So finding one that looks almost brand new is incredibly rare. Here's what many people don't understand. Rarity is not just about how many coins were made. It's about how many survived in perfect condition. Think about it. How many 5-cent coins do people actually protect? Almost none. They're spent, dropped, scratched, forgotten. That's why uncirculated coins, especially with unique features like green spotting, become highly desirable. Collectors are always searching for coins that are visually unique, well-preserved, different from the rest. And this coin checks all those boxes. Now let's talk about the value. A 2000 Australian 5-cent coin in uncirculated condition with distinctive features like a green spot has reached auction values around $54,000. Yes, from just a 5-cent coin. But remember, value depends heavily on condition, uniqueness, and demand. Not every coin will reach this level, but the possibility is real. Here's the reality. People don't pay attention to small coins anymore. They leave them in cars, drop them on the street, or ignore them completely. Some even throw them away, because to them it's just 5 cents. But hidden among those coins could be something truly special. And that's what makes this story so powerful. A valuable coin hiding in plain sight, while people unknowingly let it go. If you want to start spotting coins like this, here's what to do. Always check your change carefully. Look for unusual marks, colors, or patterns. Keep coins in protective holders. Learn basic coin grading. And most importantly, don't underestimate small coins, because sometimes they hold the biggest surprises. So next time you see a simple 5-cent coin, don't ignore it. Look closer, because one small detail, one tiny difference, could turn something ordinary into a hidden treasure. And the next one you find might be worth far more than you ever imagined. Coin number 3. Soft ticking sound, slow zoom on an old coin lying on the ground. What if the next coin you walk past isn't just spare change, but a hidden treasure? Something small, overlooked, almost invisible in everyday life. A coin people drop, forget, or spend without a second thought. But what if that one coin could be worth far more than anyone imagines? Today, we're uncovering the story of a 1,978 Australian 5-cent coin, a coin that has quietly survived decades, waiting for someone to finally recognize its true importance. The year 1978. Australia was moving forward in a modern world, but its coinage still carried strong ties to tradition. The 5-cent coin had already become a part of daily life. Used in shops, buses, vending machines, it passed through millions of hands. No one saved them. No one protected them. Because at the time, it was just another coin. But as years turned into decades, things began to change. Coins were lost, damaged, or simply disappeared. And today, finding a 1,978 coin in very fine condition is far more difficult than people expect. Let's take a closer look at this forgotten piece of history. On the front, you'll see the iconic portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. Surrounding her image is the inscription, Elizabeth II Australia. The design is simple yet powerful. It reflects authority, stability, and a connection to history that spans generations. In very fine condition, the details of the portrait remain sharp, with visible hairlines and clear edges. Now turn the coin over. Here you'll find the famous echidna, a symbol of Australia's unique wildlife. Its body is covered in fine spines, carefully engraved with incredible detail. Below the echidna, the number 5, the word cents. But what makes this coin stand out is something collectors call brown layers. These natural tones develop over time, creating a layered, almost wave-like appearance. And no two coins look exactly the same. Now let's break down its physical characteristics. Metal composition, copper nickel. Weight, approximately 2.83 grams. Diameter, around 19.4 millimeters. Thickness, about 1.3 millimeters. It's small, light, and easy to ignore. Which is exactly why so many of these coins have been lost over the years. Here's where things get interesting. Over decades, this coin develops natural brown layers. These tones aren't damage, they're the result of time itself. A slow reaction between the metal and its environment. To most people, it looks old. But to collectors, it tells a story. It gives the coin depth, character, one-of-a-kind appearance. Condition is everything. A very fine coin means moderate wear, but strong details. Clear outlines on the echidna. Visible text and features. Most 1,978 coins don't survive like this. They've been scratched, faded, or heavily worn. So when one appears in very fine condition, it immediately stands out. Here's the truth most people don't realize. Rarity isn't just about how many coins were made. It's about how many are still worth collecting. Think about how people treat small coins. They toss them in jars, leave them in cars, or forget them completely. Over time, these coins disappear. And collectors? They're searching for the few that survived, with strong detail and unique toning. Coins with brown layers, combined with good condition, are especially appealing. Because they're not just coins, they're pieces of history, preserved by chance. Now let's talk about the value. A 1,978 Australian 5-cent coin, in very fine condition, with attractive brown layering, has reached auction values around $64,000. Yes, for a coin most people wouldn't even notice. But remember, value depends on condition, appearance, and demand. Not every coin will reach this level, but the potential is what makes it exciting. Here's the shocking reality. People are still losing coins like this every day. They fall between couch cushions, get left behind in old wallets, or disappear into forgotten jars. Because no one expects a 5-cent coin to hold any real value. And that's exactly why these treasures continue to slip away right in front of us. If you want to find coins like this, start here. Check every old coin carefully. Look for natural toning like brown layers. Focus on coins with strong details. Store coins safely to preserve condition. And most importantly, never underestimate small change. Because sometimes it holds the biggest surprises. So next time you see an old coin, don't ignore it. Take a closer look. Because hidden inside something small could be a story, a history, or even a treasure waiting to be discovered.